Hello guys, today we learn what is switch statement in C. The switch statement allows us to execute one code block among many of them. You can replace the if else with the switch statement. Let us see the switch statement syntax. Here you can see switch, expression, case, constant 1, then their statement 1 and the break, then semicolon. Here you can see colon. Okay, then after that case constant 2, statement 2, then breakpoint. In case constant 3, statement break and default. In the expressions, the given expressions can be primitive data type like integer, character, short or byte. Let us see. When we put any expression, then we'll go for like constant one, then it will match, then this statement one will be executed, and here we have put the breakpoint, so our program will be out. Go to endpoint and give the result. Same way, if constant first expression is not matched, then it will go pointer to control flow. A pointer you can say go to case constant 2, and if satisfy match, then statement 2 will be executed, and here we put break, so it will out from the program. If this case will not be matched, then it will go for case constant 3, and if it match, statement 3 will be print out statement, this block will be executed. If not match, if not match means any of the case will not match, then it will go default and default statement will be printed. So now here we can understand with a example, like see here. Example include stdio.h, that is header file. You can see integer main, there is the C syntax, and in last you can see return 0 and curly braces close. Now I have write like integer a number, then take the input from the user, so please enter any numbers, then scanf percent %d and m% number, so take the input from the users, and here you can see switch, and that is number. Here you can see from the syntax, that is numbers. Then here we define case 1, that is integers, integers, and if that statement will be match, case will match, then printf enter the number is, that block will be executed, and we will get the output. If case 1 not match, then it will go case 2, means case this statement constants, and if it will match, then this number will be print. Otherwise this case statement will not match, then it will go in case 3. If again case 3 not match, go to case 4, and then again case 4 is not matched, then it will go default, and you will get the output like print invalid number, means that block will be executed, and after that here you can see return 0. So understanding it, let us copy this and open Visual Studio Code. Now go to a folder and take a new file like switchcase.c, and press enter, so you can get here new program file switchcase.c, and paste here. Already you have written this, so only I need to copy here. So you can see here that is understand header files and integer number that take the input from the users. And here you can see a case, switch case statement like switch and case 2, case 3, case 4 and default. So now run this program, run the code. So here asks please enter any number. So I put like 1 and press enter. So you can see here enter number is 1 means our statement or program will be start executing from here and switch numbers case 1, then control will go 1 case 1 this case 1 and our block, this block will be executed and you get the enter number is 1. Again run the programs and now like you can put 3 and press enter, so you get enter number is 3 means our this statement will be executed. If again run this applications programs and put like 5 which is not in the case statement, now click enter, so you get invalid number means 5 did not match any of the this case like 1 2 3 4, so our pointer will go here and this block will be executed. In some cases we require not to put breakpoint, so in that case this program will execute sequentially and give you output. Like I remove this breakpoint, also remove this, also remove this, means I have removed 3 breakpoints from case 1, case 2, case 3 statement. Only I have like case 4 which have break. Now run the again. Run code 1. Now put 1 and click enter. See here enter number is 1. So you will get 3 times like enter number is 1 means that block will execute, this block will execute and this block will execute, means 3 times we will get this block executed if we don't put the breakpoints. Again run this code and put like 5 and press enter, so we will get invalid numbers means no statement will be case statement will match. Now again run this code and put like 4 and see what will happen. Put I have 4 and press enter. So in 4 there is a breakpoint and only this condition will match. So only we will get enter number is 4. So here we learn switch statement in C and you can see the syntax of the switch statement. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.